So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Vivo V20 Pro. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Vivo V20 Pro are Snapdragon 765 44 megapixel front camera, 64 megapixel rear camera, 4000 mAh battery, 33 watt fast charging, 6.44 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display. The weight of this phone is 170 grams. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Vivo V20 Pro. There are two storage variants of Vivo V20 Pro, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. There are three color variants of Vivo V20 Pro, white color, black color and rainbow color. This is the back side of Vivo V20 Pro. This is the front side of Vivo V20 Pro. The launch date of Vivo V20 Pro is on 2nd December 2020. In my opinion, the expected price of Vivo V20 Pro should be below 30,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.